Good day mga Choy! What's up? Okay, once again, this is me, Alex of JT Rebuilder and Automotive Parts Trading. So we have a unit to be released mga Choy. This is DA64W 4-wheel drive mga Choy. So let's take a look for this unit for you to appreciate. So ito po yung unit natin mga Choy. This is 4x4 mga Choy. This is bound to Mandawi City. So this is Samurai 4-wheel drive, Samurai DA64W 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. So yan po yung ano niya, yung harapan niya in our unit mga Choy. So it has an original setup of bumper, no, and also the grille, and it has also an original fog lamp for this type of unit mga Choy. So the color of this unit is color black, and of course this is wrap around tent, tinted po to, wrap around medium black so that you can see the road day or night. And so we installed also this one, brand new mud rims and tires, size 13, 165, 65, 13 po. So original skirting po ya, originally made from Japan. Made from Japan. So ito po, let's take a look the back portion of this unit. So yan po, so lagyan po natin ito ng sticker. Yan po ang sticker na tinalagay, JT Rebuilder and Automotive Parts Trading. If you're interested, you can call that number. And then ito po yung likuran ng ating DA64W. So dito din tayo sa kabila para makita niyo po kung ano nandito sa kabilang portion ng unit na to. Yan. So ito po ay power sliding door. Kung nakikita nyo po, sarili po siya nagko-close. So dito po yung ino-operate po yun, yung power niya, power sliding niya po na left and right po siya. So dito naman sa kabila, so yan po, nagbukas, nakasira po siya. Okay, again, open again. Yan. So yan po ang niya, pag-operate niya. Okay, so pwede po sabay. So ganun lang po siya. So dito po ang switches niya para sa unit na to, ang ating DA64W. Okay, so ito po yung interior niya sa likuran niya, yung setup niya. Okay, so power window also. Tingnan nyo. Okay, so dito naman si Roger. Power pa. Unsay kasulti ni mo, Jer? Power din. Power din. All so, power lahat. May dashcam, pati driver power, screen stereo. Okay? So sa mga nag-request po na pwede ba ipakita yung engine, pwede po. Okay, tingnan po natin yung makina sa unit na to. Okay, pa-open po natin kay Roger. Yan po yung engine ng unit natin sa DA64W po natin. Ito na captain seat, all power po itong unit na to. So yun po, so nag-request ng engine natin. So yan po ang engine po ng ating unit. Nag-under po yung unit natin. Okay, nag-under po siya, nag-on po, parang wala kang marinig kung andito ka sa labas. So ito po yung niya. So dashboard po ng unit po natin. So this is automatic transmission. Yan po yung stick niya. And then touchscreen stereo and also the dashcam. Okay, so yun, this is ready for delivery na siya mga Choy. So ito pong unit na to. Then ito din yung likuran ng ating unit po sa DA64W. Actually may speaker po dito, may lagay po tayong speaker dito, both sides. Okay, and if ever pwede po siya lagyan ng upuan dyan sa likuran if gusto nyo lang po. So yun. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also if you want to know more about our products and our services and also our units here, you can also contact the number below. We are located in Purok Salwag, Bagongdan, Yati, Liloan, Cebu. Okay, don't forget again to like and subscribe and share. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nanonood. Bye bye.